Hello and welcome to a tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some quick hand-to-hand combat type sound effects. It's really simple actually. All you need is a couple of household items. I'm using a piece of dowel myself and a pillow, and at the moment I'm just swishing this dowel. I'm sorry you can't hear this, but you'll be able to hear it in a minute. And I'm just going to play it back and then see which one's my favourite. And then cut the other ones out. I'm just turning the gain up a bit so that it's louder. Tell me in the comments if you like these shorter video styles, or whether I should go back to doing 15 minutes tutorials. Anyway, in a moment I'm going to record me hitting the pillow with the dowel. That's what it's recording now. And I'm going to do pretty much the same thing. So I'm going to find my favourite and then cut it. And with this one I'm going to use the time shift tool and zoom in a bit so that I can place it right after the swish has finished. And of course, turn up the volume a little bit. I'm just going to change the pitch. I accidentally clicked on change tempo just then, but I'm just going to change it, lower it slightly so that it's got a bit more power. Sounds like it's a bit more powerful. And now I'm hitting myself. And again, I'm just going to find my favourite one and cut it out so it's just that one, and then move it to the spot where it needs to be, and it just adds a little bit more depth to the sound. It's already starting to sound quite a bit like a punch. I'm going to add one more sound, and that's going to be punching my open palm. And again, find my favourite and move it into position. I'm also going to do the change pitch again to this one. For some reason the preview isn't working, so I'm just gonna fiddle around with it. This happens sometimes in Audacity. but you can usually fix it quite easily. And now I'm just moving it back again. And that is your punch completed. You can make lots of different variations on this using all sorts of different sounds. But basically all you need to do is go to File and then click Export Audio and you're done. It's simple as that. Anyway, thanks for watching and bye.